Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I took a fair bit of feedback off that last video. A number of you fed back and said that I was rather harsh on your KingPin, lucky not to nearly end over. I should have heated up the bearings and all that sort of stuff. So thank you for your feedback. I appreciate that. I'll take it into account next time. But much worse than that is, spotted by one of my eagle-eyed viewers, is I did not press the taper pin in which holds the KingPin in place. So this was all on the car. All the brakes are done, as you saw. It's now stripped back down. It was on the car in the next episode, which you haven't seen yet, but now it's back off the car on the bench, stripped it down. We're going to get the KingPin back out. I'll use the vice to press it out, and then we'll have a look at that taper roller, and I will get that fitted in. I'll put it all back together and put it back on the car. So that means the next episode will look like it's back on the car. So, right, let's get this done. So this is what I got wrong. There is a taper that gets knocked in from this side, but to me, that just looked like a cast-in mark. And then when we look on the other side, you can see that there. But when I looked at it, it didn't look like it was going to move. And when I look inside, now I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I could see nowhere in there where the taper would go through to lock into place. But if I... Sorry guys, this is really hard for you to see. There's a slightest mark there where you can see a different shade of metal, where I'm guessing it's just been rubbed away and sheared off. And that's why I wrongly assumed that the pins that came with it were from an earlier design. So now let me see if I can drive these out. Or do I need to drill them out? Fingers crossed they'll drive out. Right, I've put it in a drill press just to take the end off the taper roller, just so I can get some in there and try and tap it off. And there we are. Taper roller is out. And you can see it had worn away on there. And the way the end was knurled over, I genuinely couldn't see it. It did just look like a casting mark. Right, now I'm going to put the new one in, but the reason I wasn't overly concerned about knurling over the edge of the KingPin is you can see it's chamfered like that, so I'd have to cause a fair bit of damage to knurl that over. But point taken, next time things will be warmed up and other things will be cooled down, and see if we can tap them in easier. All the bearings still seem free, everything still seems nice, so either we're all worrying too much, or I got away with it. Probably the latter. I probably got away with it. Right, let's get this put back together so we can go back in the car. There you are. Sorry for the dodgy photography, but that's it back on. You can see the space for that pin to go all the way through. So I'll tap him back in now. I had to tap that pin back in. I couldn't, well, I didn't have time to put it in the freezer overnight. But I did use the copper mallet, so no damage would occur. All the bearings still feel good, best I can tell. Right, let's get that pin in and get this rebuilt. Interestingly, the new taper, which is one on the bottom, is a lot shorter than the one I've knocked out. Now, I do have a roller that I could put in. I'm going to see how it goes with this first. Tap him in and see if he goes in and holds. Because I've checked each end of this hole in through this main arm, and there's still a taper there. One end is definitely smaller than the other, so I'm going to pop him in now. Right guys, so that's it. It's back together. I've got the taper in there. Like I said before, this channel isn't a how-to. It's just generally just me sharing what I'm doing, what I'm getting right, what I'm getting wrong. And in this instance, I got it pretty wrong, so it's only right to me to show you what went wrong and how to put it back right. So I really do appreciate your feedback, guys. It's all very welcome. And the Dead Stig 123, superb shout. Thank you very much. That saved me a much harder life lesson, shall we say, a life experience. So I'll get this back together, get it on the car, and then hopefully the next episode you see is me just finishing all the car off, and then we're good to go. Nearly at the MOT. So cheers, guys. Thank you very much. And do please keep on commenting and giving me your feedback. It's much appreciated. Cheers. Ta-ra. Oh, man. What an absolute... Third time lucky? Cannot believe I did that. So that's back on. That is now in with the... what do you call it? Not the tapered one, the roll pin. So that's all back in. Right. Now to put it back together.